So hey friends, I am Ritik. So in this video I am gonna tell you how you can fix or resolve the problem if your command prompt is not working or not opening in your system. So let me show you something. Okay, so firstly you have to go on the search bar, and how to open that command prompt. So you have to go on search bar and just simply write or type it cmd. Okay, and here is the open button. So you have to click on this button, open. So basically my command prompt is not opening, so the issue is that. So if you're facing the same issue, so how you can resolve that? So yeah, so I think you have seen that I have clicked multiple times or couple of times, and still my command prompt is not opening. Okay, so what you should have to do now, so we have to follow the first step. So yeah, so first step is quite simple. So you have to go on the search bar again, and you can write here file explorer. Okay, so here is the file explorer, and you can open the file explorer. Okay, and now you have to go on this PC. Okay, and here you have to go on the address bar, and you have to click backspace, and then here you can write cmd. Okay, then press enter, and here you can see that our command prompt is successfully opened. So now our first step have been completed. Okay, so now we should have to move on our second step. So second step is quite being simple and it's effortless. Okay, if you are following that. So second step is quite simple. So you have to right click of your mouse, and then here is the new button, and then here is a shortcut is showing here, and you have to click on the shortcut, and here you have to again write cmd. Okay, so cmd is basically a short form of command prompt. Okay, so here you can click on next and then finish. So after that, now our prompt of cmd is created. So you right click on this prompt. Okay, so here you can see that there is a property option. You have to click on the property option, and then you have to click here on the advanced option here, and make sure you have to check as run as administrator. Okay, yeah, and after that you have to click OK, and here OK. So now our command prompt is successfully created. So now you should have to open, and then here you can see that there are two options showing. So here you can see that two options showing yes or no. You have to click yes, and here you can see that our command prompt is opened. So and our second step is also completed. So now we should have to move on our third step, and the third step is quite crucial. Okay, and I must sure that if you are facing any kind of problem, so the third step can resolve your problem definitely. Okay, so third step. So now you have to again come here on the search bar, and you can again simply write file explorer. Okay, and now you have to open it, and then you have to click on this PC here, and you have to go on the OS section. Then you have to find Windows here. So here is the Windows. Okay, so now you have to find here SYS wow 64. So SYS wow 64, here is it. So you can simply click on this wow 64 SYS. So now you have to click on the address bar, and you have to copy the file path link. Okay, so now you should have to copy the file path link, and now you have to close on the step, and then you have to again come here, and you have to write edit environment variable. Okay, edit environment variable. So here it is showing edit environment variable, and now you have to open this, and now you have to click on the path option here. Then you can go on the edit section. you have to click on the edit section. Now you can click new. Okay, so here you can paste that link. So I have already done this. So yeah, so I want to show that. Okay, so and now you can click OK and then OK. Okay, so now your command prompt is working. So if you like this video, so and if you have any doubt, so if you have so if you still have any doubt, so let me know in comments, and I will try to answer your question or your queries, or if you're facing any kind of issues, so I can resolve it. So if you want like this video, so please keep like and subscribe, and I will catch you later. Goodbye.